Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm showing you how to pack away dominoes in case you didn't know how to pack them away. First of all, we're going to put them facing up like this. So I'm going to put them side by side here. As you can see, they're all something like this. I'm going to put them side by side. That's what it looks like there. They're going to do another.
Do you like egg custards?
Do I? I just got that. Okay, so the next part you're going to do, that there, stack them again. This time, obviously that way up still, on the same row. It should be about 22 dominoes, is that right, Nanny? 23 dominoes?
28.
28 dominoes. Excellent. Make sure they're packed front facing like this. Pack this. And they should be able to put one more layer, and it should fit all the gaps. Like so. Let me show you a distant view of it like this. That's what it should look like. Stacked all the right way. So then when you want to play again, it's that way. They'll all be upside down. So I'm just going to get this before I put the lid on. Just a scoreboard. On top, if you have a scoreboard, put this in, and then you're all ready. Pack them up. Thank you for listening to my YouTube video, guys. Remember to like, subscribe, and like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Bye.